Spend a medical minute with Kaleida Health.
Palliative care is specialized medical care focused on symptom management and providing comfort and support for patients who are facing a serious or perhaps life-limiting illness. Our care is focused on minimizing symptoms, symptom burden, while other specialists are focused on treating the disease itself. We're focused on minimizing the burden that comes along with feeling uncomfortable, either because of the disease or because of the treatments offered for treating the disease. GetPalliativeCare.org is an excellent website to learn more about what palliative care is and if you feel it may be right for you. At Millard Fillmore Suburban Hospital, we have a comprehensive palliative care program, providing holistic care for patients and their families.
Brought to you by Kaleida Health. Taking care of you is what we do.